If you're a Shopify or TikTok shop owner, you need to get in on this revolutionary new tool. Does being able to produce 10 unique ads in mere seconds sound too good to be true? CapCut Online's completely free product URL to ads tool is going to be your next favorite thing. All you need is the URL link of your product, and our AI will do the rest for you. Open CapCut.com. In Magic Tools, find Create with AI, then click Product URL to Ads. Copy and paste it into the bar, and this function will extract all of the product information and images that you've already provided in the web page. The next step is to confirm the product information, such as features and promotional details. If you're not sure, just let the AI recommend some for you to get a feel for it. If you've got some more product media, just click here and upload from your computer or from the cloud. Both photos and videos are accepted. This can be especially useful if you're preparing videos for sales like Black Friday or Boxing Day and need to change the price or add some themed images for holidays like Halloween and Christmas. Just swap out the information here. Click Confirm. After that's done, you can go back and choose the duration, as well as the target audience. If you're not sure, it'll recommend the target audience for you. When you click Generate, 10 individual marketing videos will be created just for your product. You can preview the ads before exporting, just to make sure they're exactly what you want. Wow, that looks great! If you're happy with the videos, you can export them straight away with absolutely no hidden charges. You can even customize the export settings here. But of course, if there's anything else you'd like to add, you can do that too in our video editor. You can add text, stickers, and change the music to make the video more you, more on brand. In today's market, it's tough to produce tons of marketing content all on your own. Let this free tool take some of the load off your shoulders by giving you personalized product ads with no effort, freeing you up for more important stuff. Thanks for watching! If you like this series, make sure to subscribe to the CapCut YouTube channel and click to watch more.